everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you and my brother how to make Vietnamese style yogurt. So, this is my brother.
Hello everyone, I'm Lucas, as you might know.
Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started. So we have these really cute jars we're going to put the yogurt in. And so let's get started. So my brother is going to be putting in 1 can of condensed milk. Oh, and before you do it, okay.
We can just scoop it after.
No, I didn't mean scoop, I meant preheat the oven.
Oh,
so you're going to preheat the oven for 200 degrees.
And then once it's 200, we stop it and then turn on
the lights and put it in so you don't forget, so that it can just trap the heat and mutes. Do the thing. I got this.
Okay, you guys, you can make this overnight, at night, and then you can
just have yogurt in the morning.
Yeah, just
like for breakfast.
Or you could oh no. But in the morning, it's still a little warm, so you can just put it in the fridge for like an hour and it'll cool down.
Wait.
It's so thick and yummy.
Okay, there.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so now my brother, after he's done with his condensed milk spoon, he's going to help me with pouring in the hot water. 1 cup of hot water, guys.
1 cup of hot water, or 1 equivalent can of...
Careful with the can, it's going to burn us. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Yeah. So...
Okay, now we're going to take the spatula and just stir it in with water.
So we need to keep the can to measure, right?
Yeah. For the milk, and yeah.
Okay, I think that's about good.
Okay, so he's gonna pour it into. Oh, no, don't touch that. Don't touch it, just touch, no, don't touch the top.
Okay, so
you're gonna cut yourself.
So like this, easy.
Okay, he's gonna pour in the cup of water. Carefully, lower.
Very slowly if you're getting a little hot.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna mix it thoroughly.
There's like a lot of condensed milk.
So that's good. Now we're just gonna mix it into the thing.
Oh, it looks so good already.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pour in 1 cup or 1 can of whole milk. Let me scoot over. Thank you. 1 cup of whole milk right in there.
So yummy. Can I drink some?
You can drink some after the video. Wait, we'll still need the whole milk.
Yeah, I know.
So we're just gonna pour in. And now you're gonna pour half a cup of whole milk and the rest with whipped cream. So heavy whipped cream. So if you want it really creamy, you can add it a lot. So I'll tell you when it's
She meant heavy whipping cream.
Okay, that's good. So now we're gonna pour in the rest of the way with the heavy whipped cream.
Whipping cream. Whipped cream is already whipped and it's already fluffy.
Okay, so that's good. Maybe check that for me.
Sure.
And now we're going to just pour it in.
If you want, you don't have to add this, but if you want a nice creamy yogurt,
Okay, guys. So it's time to add the yogurt.
So even though we're making yogurt,
we'll still need the base to make the yogurt.
So
the same
So the healthy bacteria can grow, but if you somehow get some at your own house, that's cool.
Okay, so we're just gonna scoop 1 whole cup of plain yogurt.
Okay. No flavor, Greek yogurt, or else it won't be good for it.
Because if you add vanilla, then it will be too sweet because we added the condensed milk. You can put the rest in.
Thank you.
Hold on, may I use this?
Sure.
We're just gonna spread it. Okay, this is perfect. Now we're just going to slowly put it in so we don't splash any milk out from the thing. So we're just gonna clean it and just Okay, guys. So we're gonna put this aside. Oh, we'll just wipe that later. And now we're just gonna take this and start stirring. So the yogurt
will dissolve,
yeah, till everything dissolves and it becomes a liquid and there are no lumps. So we start opening these.
Okay. It's almost 200 degrees. So what you're gonna, I forgot to turn on the light. Silly me. I'm so forgetful sometimes.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna keep stirring it until there are no more lumps and all the yogurt has dissolved.
And if you want a very...
Okay, guys, so we're going to get our spatula and just take the yogurt off of the sides and just spread it on the whisk. When you stir it, it works best with the whisk, so it can dissolve all of it quicker. Okay guys, so it's time to scoop it and put it in here. So what you want to do is you wait for it to stop dripping, then you put it in the middle and pour from the side.
Ooh, very fancy.
Okay, now my brother's gonna shut the top. Okay guys, so now my brother's gonna open the oven and put in our yogurts.
Okay, so you wanna preheat it 200 degrees.
With the lights on.
And then when it's at 200 degrees, you turn it off. So then it will, as you make it, so it's gonna be slightly warm. You want to keep the light on, so then the light's heat will keep it warm, but at the same time you know that it's still in there.
And you don't forget, so careful. So we're going to show you the yogurt that I made yesterday with my mom.
So it's in, and you just want to leave it there, so you can leave it overnight.
So these are the ones we made. This one we made yesterday. You can use it as the base. So we're gonna get 2 for each of us, and we're gonna put this in later. So we got some chocolate. We're gonna put it in good spots.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
It's a Symphony Hershey bar. We ate
it. We ate a lot earlier with our other yogurt.
It has toffee and almonds. Toffee. It's called toffee.
It is?
Yes.
I thought it was toffee.
Toffee.
Okay, so some here. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna eat this yogurt, but I want to show you how silky it is and thick. So that's how silky it is, and you can't even pour it out. So with this style, you don't have to soak it overnight in water, and you don't have to use the yogurt machine. So this is really easy to make, and so let's try it.
So you can add any toppings, and so
I
already
granolas.
broke up some, so we're just gonna add these. We don't want too much sugar,
so we love adding granolas, chocolate chips, or Hershey's.
So these are the Symphony Hershey Symphony.
These are new, so
they're new to us, but
so when we tried them earlier, we were like, oh my goodness, this is so good.
Yeah, it's it has almonds, toffee.
And when you try it by itself, it's delicious.
Toffee chips, creamy milk.
I like it because when you eat it, it's crunchy. Okay.
Yeah, and it's so good together.
Okay, let's try it.
So I'm just about to be done.
So it's time to try. It's silky, thick, delicious.
And crunchy.
With the chocolate. This is delicious. If you like this video, please subscribe. Wait, hold on. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bells for my latest videos. And don't forget to check out my brother's channel too. You can find him at Lucas Lee, LUCAS space LE. Bye guys, see you next time. Lucas and Valencia are out.